Good morning, this is Ms. Greco. I wanted to make you a video recording to show you how you can write on documents that the virtual learning is asking for students to write on. So I have logged in to a student's MyPasco Connect and they're My Learning. And so I've come across the document Observing Big and Small. And this is a document that's asking for students to print or complete. Now we understand that not all families have printers, so I'm going to show you how you can annotate the document without having to print it. So first you're going to click on the document and the document will open. When it opens, you want to click the little download button that's right here in order for the document to download onto your computer. When you click that document, it may automatically download or it may give you the option to save. Even if you're on a school laptop, you can temporarily save the document to your desktop in order to work on it. You must save the document in order for it to be opened in the PDF view to edit. So I'm going to go ahead and save that right to my desktop, and it's right here. So I'm going to drag that document to my desktop in order for me to then view it in the PDF form. So I'm going to go ahead and exit out of here and open that document. Okay, so this is the format in which you want to see the document in order to be able to edit. This is the PDF form, not the online view. So up here you have tools. You want to click on the tool that's right here that says Show Markup Toolbar. When you click on Show Markup Toolbar, it creates the drop-down for the rest of your tools and where they're located. So in order to write on this activity, there's two different things that you can use. You can either add in a text box, so you can create your own text box by clicking on the T inside. So for example, if I want to put my name on the document, I'm going to click the text box. You can see that it dropped in a text box here. I can grab this text box, move it up to where it says name, and then I can type a student's name in here and click out. And I can reposition if I need to. That is one way that you can add information to a document. You can do it through adding a text box and placing it where the answer would go. So for example, down here it says, draw a picture of the two objects when they were close to you or far from you. Now, if you're skilled at drawing or if you're using this on an iPad, it might be easier to draw, but I'm sure teachers would accept documents that have words on them because they understand that it might be a little more challenging to draw. So here I could place another text box. And place it into the text box. So an object that was close to me, a tree. Place another object or another text box in the other. You can see I'm trying to get the grab handle. Something that was far away from me, a bird. Now up here, there's another directive. It's asking you to circle. So this isn't going to work with a text box. You're going to need to use a different tool. This tool is called Sketch. So you want the tool that kind of looks like a pen or a pencil, and it's called Sketch. So you're going to click on Sketch. And when you get Sketch, you see that your cursor has turned into what looks like a drawing tool. There's two other tools that go along with Sketch. This one refers to the color in which your pen or your pencil would be. I would just select black. And this drop down refers to the thickness of the pen or pencil width. I would probably not go much thicker than the second or third choice here. So now to use the Sketch tool, you're just going to hold down on your trackpad or your mouse until you are done completing the assignment. So it says circle the word that best fits in the sentence. So let's just say that the answer is the same size. I'm going to just hold down on my trackpad and hold down on my mouse and circle the object. Now when I release this, you're going to notice that something happens. You'll notice that it immediately looks like a filled in black circle. But if you look over to the left-hand side, you will see that this drop down came up right away. This is highlighted to be a filled in circle, but if I move my cursor to the top choice, that's the top choice for an unfilled circle, which for this situation is what I want. So I'm going to click on the unfilled circle, and it leaves me with my answer selection. And just like with the other objects, you'll see that there's the 4 blue dots, which allows you to move the object if you needed to move it. Like maybe you picked the wrong answer, so instead of drawing a new circle, you could move your circle to a different answer. Or when you see those dots, it also allows you to delete by just pressing the delete button. So I hope that this video has helped you understand how you can annotate documents without having to print them. Remember, if you're still having any tech troubles, we have a Google form on our Facebook page as well as on our school website that you can fill out and reach out for more supports.